Hello everyone, welcome to day six of solving SQL. Today we are going to solve this problem product price and at a given date. So there is one table, products table. It has three columns and the product ID column and change date. Together they make the primary key. Okay, that means together there is a unique pair. So combination of columns with unique values of this product ID and change date. Okay, and the new price is the price of the product after it got changed. Okay, so each product will have different prices. At a particular date the price may change. So in this table we are going to register this change in price. Okay, so question is, write a solution to find the prices of all products on this date, 2019 8 16 August to 2019. Assume prices of all products before any change is 10. Okay, so if the product ID do not have a change in price before this date, I will assume that change is 10 rupees. Okay, 10 rupees or whatever, 10. Okay, so now the example, from the example, let us see the example. The product table is given. There are like six entries here. Three are one. So let us see. For the first one, it is 14 August, then 15, then this is 16. So I need the 16 August one, right? 16 August 2019. So I can, for product ID 1, it is easy. I will just report this 135. So in the output, see 135. For product ID 2, 50 and 65. But this one is 17 August, this one is on 14 August. But 14 August is less than 16 August. So on 16 August, what will be the price of the product? 50 only, because it did not get changed after 14. Okay, so on 16, what will be the price of the product of product ID 2? 50 only. Okay, now from this table, 3 product ID 3 got a change of its price on 18th August. But I need what is the price of the product of product ID 3 on 16 August. So I will not get the information from this data. So whenever there is not a conclusive information from this data, I have to assume that change is 10. So I am going to report for product ID 3 the price is 10. Okay, so if you have understood the problem, you can try to solve this on lead code. Go to the lead code and search for this and try to solve the question on there. You can use subquery, you can use common table expression, you can use whatever. Try to solve this problem and come back here. I will be solving here. Okay, so let's now solve this. So how to solve this problem? I am going to solve this using common table expression. So from this table I am going to filter something. What I need to filter? I need to filter all the values of this table which is greater than this date, because I do not want all those values. Okay, I want everything that is less than this date, 16 August 2019. Okay, so that's what I am going to do. I'm going to write which city as select product ID. I need the product ID. I need the new price. Change of date. I can say I need a change of date also. Which will change date. Okay, from what? From products where change date is less than equal to what? 2019 August 16. Sorry, 16. Okay. Now I am going to use a flag also. I am going to use a flag. So what is the flag? Row number over by product ID. For each product ID and order by changed it recently. Recently as icon. Now what will this do? Tell me. So this will make sure I have a marker or a flag where um, the the numbering is done on the basis of change date for each product ID, and on the basis of highest to lowest of change date, I will get a marking. That is, the recent date will be the largest change date. Okay, so that will give me number one, RN1. Okay, and that must be less than equal to this. So for that day, I can get the new price. That is the recent change in the price. Okay, so are you understanding this? Change date is 2019, 16 August 2019. This is the change date. So this uh, portion, this part of the code is doing what? This is ordering my data in partitioning by product ID, and for each product ID, it is ordering my data on the basis of change date from the latest change date to rest. Okay, so the latest change date will be number one, and which is less than equal to this. So for this change date, I can get the new price, the change in price. So I can report this. Okay, so I can report select from this table. I can select the product ID, product ID, then new price, new price as price. Okay, from CTE where Rn equal to 1. Okay, so this is not actually complete, but I want to show you the result. So I got product ID number 1 and 2. Okay, because product ID number 1 and 2 had some values before 2019, sorry, 16 August 2019, but product ID 3 did not have any values. So product ID 3 is missing in this table, but product ID 1 and 2 will have something over here. Okay, I can show the original query here. What is the result of this query? Okay, let me check. Let me remove this. Okay, so for product ID 1, new price 35. This is the latest date on which the product ID got changed, 16 August 2019. Row number is 1. This is the next date. Okay, before just before 16 August, what is the latest date? 15 August. Okay, is row number 2. Before that is 14 August, row number 3. Now what is the latest change in the price? The first row only, row number 1. Okay, for second ID also, what is the latest change? Row number 1. There is the latest change. So that is why I am giving the row number part. Okay, so then we do it. Okay, so now I got two values. I got two values of this data. Now product ID 3, this is not included in this city. Product ID 3 is not even there. So how to get those IDs from this table which do not have a register here, which is whose change date is less than equal to this? How to get this? So I can do another query here. So you should know this keyword union. What it does is it merges two table vertically. Okay, So I can say select product ID, comma, and I'm going to write here 10, 10 as price. Why? Because you see, they have told me assume all the prices of products before any change is 10. Now, on this date, on or before this date, there is no mention of some products. Okay, on this day or before this day, there is no mention of those products. So for those products, the price needs to be 10. That is why I'm giving here 10. So from which table? Products. From products table. Um, where where the product ID is not in which table? Product ID is not product ID not in select state product ID from city. Okay, so in city some of the product IDs are not there, which are there in the products. So from the products table I'm getting the data and checking which products ID are not there in the city, and for those product ID I'm selecting the product ID and the price is 10. Okay, so now if I submit this code, so this will get accepted. Okay, now if I submit it, it will give me the correct result. Okay, so the beats only this person. Let me resubmit this. Okay, sometimes there is a connection issue. Beats 80%, 80.95%. Okay, so let's hope you have understood the problem. If you have any doubt, you can comment it on the comment section. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.